Hello and welcome to this new video on how to translate documents using Google Translator or Google Translate. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser and go to the top of the web browser where there will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar. After that, you just have to type Google Translate and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown. So the first search results will be Google Translate. You just have to click on it and the Google Translate will open right in front of you. And in the top navigation bar there are 4 options, and the third option is documents. You just have to click on the documents, and a place where you can drag and drop or choose a file will be open. So in the left hand side you can just drag and drop the documents, or in the right hand side you can just click on the browse your files and you will be able to access your device, and you will just need to choose the file that you want to translate and press enter in the keyboard. And after that you will be able to add the document in the Google Translate and you will be able to translate the documents. So this is how you can easily translate documents using Google Translate. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.